What's up, Pyros? Will Jesus one back with another stash update. This is a Safe and Sane update. My local firework store open for the Juneteenth. And like I told y'all in previous videos, I found out about wholesale, so I refuse to spend all that money on this overpriced stuff. But these people been good to me over the years, man, so I'm always spend some money. So I spent $300 with them on this box of Safe and Sane stuff for my family. I got a few things for me, but a lot of this stuff is what my girl liked for New Year's or what my son liked and wanted for the 4th. So I stopped in there yesterday, see what they had. Spent a little money, $300. Safe and Sane. Got these little swords for my son. Mega banger, double-edged sword. He loved those. Well, he never had them, but he liked the way they look. Picked up some of these Great Balls of Smoke by World Class. Red, white, and blue. I think over watching videos since January, I really developed a new love for fountains and smoke. They didn't have too much of the smoke I wanted that I seen on videos, but I looked at a video of these and they got some huge dense smoke, lasts for about a minute. So I picked up 3 of those. Man, these huge in my hand, big smoke. Light all these off, celebrate America. Think I might go get some more of these. Picked up some firecrackers for me. I grew up on Black Cat, so I will always get Black Cat firecrackers. Black Cat the shit. They was around since I was little. I always get them. Got a pack of 200, another pack of 200. 200s, another pack of 200. I love firecrackers, man. As you know, I don't need one cakes and all that, even though I can get them. But I like everything from big to small, you know. Got a box of these artillery shells from Wyndham. I always wanted to try those. They probably nothing, but I'm gonna test every firework before I die. And I determine if I like it or not. I picked up this big jumbo snow cone fountain. Seen plenty of videos of these. Definitely love fountains with the big chrysanthemums. Up two of these. Might go get some more of them. They had some fuse I got for free. Got 4 packs of this premium Cannon hobby fuse. Got these for free. Got 4 packs. Never gonna turn down no fuse or anything firework related. Picked up some of these, they were cheap. 50s, 1.5 inch, 5 packs of these. I always go get Black Cat firecrackers. Picked up some white hot flash crackers, 1.5 inches, 1,000 rolls. I had these, pretty much I had these every year, man. And I like the way they pop one after another instead of all at one time. They actually pop one by one at a nice little rapid pace. So that's why I always get this white hot flash crackers. Do a demo on these. Picked up a 500 Black Cat. Picked up some of these for my girl and my son. We had these last year. I can't remember if that was by Red Rhino or not, but these really a step up from your regular sparkles. Like these, man. So I picked up 4 boxes of these with 5 1 minute. There's 20 of those. Magic ones, look them up. They nice to have. They long. Got your handle. Then it goes into the sparklers. Picked up some of these torpedo cracker snaps. My son had a blast with them for New Year's, so I'm always gonna take care of my son. That's daddy's baby, so. Get him some more of these, but that's enough for right now because he got so much. Yeah, I picked up 2 of these. Go always pick up these 25 shot mega banger killer alligator. I got a video of these on my channel. This cake put me in mind of the fire sale cake. Exact. It's the fire sale cake. Picked up 2 of these. Wish I can find a case of these, but I can't find a case of these online. But I'm gonna continue to look. Maybe I get lucky. But this is one 200 gram cake I'm always pick up by Mega Banger. Check out the vid on my channel. 25 shot, very big, heavy cake. Just look at the video. And I picked up a lot of these. I got this for New Year's. I don't know if I bought one or it just so happened to be some assortment I got from Holiday Fireworks. And by the way, that's the name of the store. I got this from my here in Shreveport, Holiday Fireworks. But I only had one of these last year. Well, for New Year's, by TNT. And I must tell you, man, this had all us and all. Me, my girl, my son, my neighbors. For this to be so little, probably about, what's that, 4.5 inches. It lasts so long. Well, not that long, but the colors is amazing, man. I mean, that purple, I think it had pink in it, but that purple, I mean, it's vibrant, like looking at it in 4K. You know, it got a dazzle shower with blue sparks with crackling gold, silver glitter. I don't remember the blue, but I do remember the purple. So she loved those. She kept talking about, oh my God, they so pretty. So I got a whole bunch on. I'm gonna make a big cake out of these. Matter of fact, I got 22 of these. I'm definitely gonna find a case of these one day. To this day, I can't find a case of these. So I'm gonna light these off for her birthday. She got a birthday coming up. So I'm gonna make these out of one big cake and go back and get some more for the full. Probably get maybe about 100 on them, or every one they got in stock. But y'all check this out, man. Videos don't do this justice. You have to see one of these in person. So if you see one of these at your fireworks store or tent, probably cost you about $1, no more than $2. Just pick you up one. I guarantee you will like it if you like fountains. And last up, I picked up this big assortment. They make this especially at their store, you know, to give back to the kids. And it's heavy, man, and come with all kind of stuff, artillery shells, whistling chasers, fountains, man, there's all kind of stuff in there, crackers. Man, this thing heavy. Look how big my hand is. Look how thick it is. You know what I mean? $20. Man, you can't beat that. But yeah, this my Safe&Sane family edition fireworks stash. That's for me. Everything else pretty much for the fam. My son, that's for me, for my family. But yeah, Safe&Sane fireworks stash. We out.